Who went and caught this family? Who? I said, who caught these things?
What is the meaning of this shouting this morning, Papi Kemi?
Who caught these things?
What is your business with the town food you caught, Papi Kemi? What is your business?
Oh, is that me you are talking to like this? Hey! I'm sure you are mad.
Me? Mad?
What's wrong with you?
Uncle, this thing you're doing is not good though. Don't you have the right to go to our father's farmland?
I don't know. I wonder.
Thunder scatter this useless head.
God forbid.
With your father? Eh? When men start laying claims to land? When? When I get to be by it's over.
Asiko, Ezibotasi. Isi asi, Papi Kemi. Isi asi nanka.
Hi!
Ogini.
Ogini. Eh?
Yeah. Why are you shouting at my children? Telling them they have no right to their father's family.
I know. Yes, I know you are the one. I know you are the one deceiving these idiots.
Call my children idiots.
You have no right to step into our land without my permission. See, you have no right to do that. Am I the one who asked your late son not to have a male child before his death? Nekwagio, you are joining him.
Chineke, look at you. Chineke, I saw you in front of forbid. In front of you. It will not work.
Not me and you.
It will not work for you.
Oh, why is this man talking to grandma anyhow?
Talk to him.
Where? Give him the man.
If you address me as this man,
I kill you. You are a shame to this family. Yes. You are supposed to be an outcast. In fact, you are an outcast. Iganna. Take this thing. Take this thing. Bukeri ha, Bukeba, no Kani.
If you know that you're a man, now Mogi, you bring hen and gather. Touch it.
Bubi Ebu, Kari.
No, a room here, room. Touch it.
I hope you're not talking to me.
He's talking to you. She said you should not touch it.
I think you
Adugo,
carry this thing.
am I talking to you?
Enya. Oh, man, I get it, man.
Papa, who am I?
Yes.
Okay. Get up, one. Papa, each of them.
Carry Haja.
Okay, one.
Buya.
Thank God now mother approached me. Man is not God. If man were to be God, He started doing this when you people were little girls. Do you remember how your father died mysteriously in this compound? Obiano knew what killed your father. 2 years later, his wife joined him. But he did it. So he will take everything. But you see me here, I will fight him. Even if I die, I will fight Obiano from the grave. You knew it was that wicked man that killed our parents, and you kept it all to yourself.
Thank you for telling us so. Because from today.
A whole war! War! It hasn't even started though.
Is he that heartless to have killed a man and his wife for just nothing?
Hey. You know your grandfather. That's my late husband. He was the senior brother to Obiano's father. They were very close. Onaso, they shared everything together. The farmland, the palm fruits, everything. If I'd known it would be like this today, I would have encouraged them to share everything. But now that I don't have a child, how can I make wrong? I am going to be another. Oh, you're going to be another. I'm edging one. Oh, no.
Stop crying. We are here for you.
Ijenna, nwanyị dị mma. Hope all is well. This one you are not smiling at Mweke Yubal. Moin, ma'am. Biko, please go and get a seat for me. Ah! Nne, Oginekwa. When I see you wearing this kind of face, that means something is not well.
This same Obiano, he killed my son, killed my son's wife. Now he wants to kill my daughters. Eh?
Obiano again?
Yes, so. What kind of thing is this? My daughters went to their father's farmland to cut the palm fruits. Obiano shouting at them, telling them to get away from them. What is all this? Eh?
Maybe Obiano has gone mad.
I am sure.
Has he started again?
He never stopped.
Why should he stop Amechi's children from getting what belongs not only to their father, but also their great-grandfather? Eh? I was shouting it before that the best thing to do is to share those lands and the rest. Though he took ill and died.
He did not die. Obiano killed him. He killed my son. Yes. My son had daughters. He was going to share those things. But then Obiano killed him because he knew he was going to have a male child. A male child that will inherit all the properties, the lands and everything. My God, she will punish him. Oh, God, okay. Ay, Obiano, watch him.
Ozugo. Ijenna, don't worry. I will call him to order. But if he insists, the Umunna will come into it. Ozugo.
I'm going to feel so bad.
Okay.
I have to go home now. Let me go and rest my aching bones.
Wayo. Won't you take some manyanko? Nkwocha, eh? Ngwam, balobele. Okay. Take care, eh? Jide ku afuma.
Your father and your mother, they were such a good pair. And Mamba, nine on the fade, woolly. More no longer gonna na piafanya.
Ma bouquet ho. Where is she? Oh, not here. She's not around. She went to her vessel herself.
Yeah. Oh.
Bambo.
Okay. Mama.
No.
What will you eat? So I can quickly prepare it. You know I'm almost late for the market.
Oh. You're still no work. Beans. Hello, Tagwom. You will cook. No, for me.
What's no, gonna?
No.
Hey, open. Noodles, good. Mama. Stop disgracing us. It is not no. Noodles. Noodles.
Are you now teaching Mama pronunciation?
If she can eat it, let her pronounce it well.
No. Don't mind her. Call it anything you like. No. You open at the game, you understand? We'll cook it for you.
During our own time, when we were young, we will go into the farm and get the farm produce. Or if I know you, we will eat okra, and yam, and apple. Even in 9 o'clock, I may. But with this year, you won't. Let me join you people. Start going to the market to sell your tomatoes. Don't worry about it. No. Allah will cook it for me.
I'll cook it, Mama. I will.
So, what do you want me to buy for you from the market? You want to...
Hey, Chico, tell me fast. Hello, Demo. Agidi jollof. Nke nnukwu akwụkwọ dị n'ime ịna-amịlị ya bakụ.
You and Agidi jollof.
Oh, Mama. Agidi jollof. No. No far for ya. Pico, if Adugo comes back, tell her to come and help me in the market. You know go? Up one more.
Don't forget to buy it.
Yana tissue. Makafa ya salta.
Don't find trouble.
If you can't hear what this your mouth will kill you. Well,
Oh.
This girl. Hey, you're not for yourself. Omara na for more wabunkume. Forget it. Actually, I'll shop that case. Jesse, about such a wow.
Are you coming back from the market already?
Why are you late to the market? Today that is Nkwo.
Hell. No. You won't understand.
I even went to your shop and I saw one more on your table.
Which woman? No, which table? On top of the table or under the table? Eh?
I don't know who she is, but I asked her to look for another place to say her names. As if I know you'll be coming.
If I meet her there, her second name will be sorry. Anyway, I woke up late. I was having this terrible headache. I didn't even... Why am I even talking with you? Nne, please leave me. Let me go to the market before the people that came to market will start going.
Please don't fight.
Ijenna had not started complaining. Oh, she came to your house and told you that I was fighting her grandchildren. When these days, they are the one going about cutting my palm fruit, whether ripe or unripe. But no problem, we will see.
Are you stopping them from taking what belongs to their father That is the question.
What is that belongs to their father?
Those things you mentioned belong to their father. And you have no right whatsoever to stop them.
Mweke, if not for the respect I have for you, I will walk you out of this compound. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, kamunu mwaka biapiawanku. Eh? Me and these girls to knock shoulders. Hey! Mweke, I am a man and the heir to this family. Whatsoever these girls need, they should come to me and seek my permission. And if nobody.
You and Amechi, their father, are brothers. If Amechi was to be alive, would you have taken those things from him?
No, I won't. I won't.
You see to that?
I won't.
Eh? So, you should allow them to take those things that belong to their father.
But unfortunately, Amechi had no son. And for the fact that they had no son, the daughters, the girls, should come to me and seek my permission before they take anything from my land. And that is final.
That is what you are saying?
Yes.
Okay. I will pretend not to have heard what you have just said. Till the Umunna comes into it.
Who are you and your Umunna to come into this? Go to hell with your Umunna. But you ain't take it. Okay, can now go me ha. Munu umuaka umuwai ga bido bia zowa ben now.
Obiano.
Okay.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes.
Come, I have respected you enough. Take your time.
You mean I will be here fighting with girls in my father's house? Hey!
Okay, we shall see.
See what?
We shall see.
Nonsense! I'm waiting for you people. Obiano Nechunu. Nonsense.
Mama, I have told you to leave Obiano's trouble for me.
See, eh? Leave him for me. I will make him understand that even though Papa didn't have male children, yeah, here, I got we'll put hands together and deal with him.
I just thank God we are all grown up. Let me see how he will stop us from eating.
Mama, you don't need to bother yourself because of Uncle Obiano. I believe you understand and realize you're his brother's children.
Who is begging him to understand? If he likes, let him understand. If he likes, let him not understand. It is his business. All I know is that I'm Escalating plan. Hey! Escalating. So, if you're this village, see, I am ready for anything, no. I am ready for anything. If he wants us to be fighting every day, yeah. Every day. I'm ready. Every day. Yeah. I know me, I full ground. So just cool down. Stop it, because we see her.
Only had given birth to 2 male children. Or even if your father had a son, he would have been here to protect you girls. Oh! Obiano!
Mama, it's okay. How long will you cry for him? Oh, that's why you never me on half. Mama, stop crying. Katobi kai may ife. Nonsense. Mama, na respect is reciprocal. In fact, I withdraw my respect. You keep to say the reciprocal. Nonsense. But you can now move. Tero, so you told Uncle Wenke that we should be coming to take permission from you, Ngenwa, before entering our father's land, Oria.
I said it. And so it must be. If you want to try me, go into any of the land without my permission.
Poor here, I'll say so. In fact, children go poor here. See, instead of me to take permission from you, I'll go and take that permission from my grandmother's goat.
Hey! Get out of my sight!
If I... You know my father's back.
Wobble, 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 wobble.
You! I'll kill you today! I'll kill you! Go inside and call that your tiger! Come on! Did I call your name? Oh, I'm going down! Hey! Come on! Hey! I'll kill you today! Come! I will kill you today! I will kill you! I will not chop it! No people beat my father here asking me to chop the matches. I will not chop it! Come! Come now! I will kill you! Don't come near me! Don't come near me! Don't come near me! Hey! Hey!
Is it the son that is over there, crying like a child?
Hey! Hey! What happened to you? Eh? What happened to you?
This idiot! One of my sisters joined her and beat me up, including their grandmother. Simply because I was not in the mood to fight.
I know you! I know what you can do. Hey!
You want to kill my son? You want to kill my son?
No. This is too much. This is too much. The whole village must hear this. Unu ga free again, Unu. Don't worry.
Because I don't want to fight them.
I know what you can do. Don't worry, I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming. Unu gafu. Hey! I'm coming now. I'm coming.
Papa, where are you going?
You want to go with him?
Papa, where are you going?
See, look at you. I thought you were a big boy. I thought you were big enough to challenge me. Come on, fight that camel. Small boy. In fact, he told Ruben.
Thunder, Papa. Thunder, fire. Did I call your name? Did I call your name?
How? Are you going with me or are you still standing there asking questions? Weke, come!
Wait for me.
Follow me!
Come. You people should not kill anybody in this yard, though. Don't kill people here.
Leave that thing. Leave me. Let me deal with this wicked man. You don't know this man is wicked, eh? Do you know that he sent this his? I'm not yet ready to commit murder. Hey. If not, please, my friend, don't kill anybody. Hey, Jim Chineke na Yogi, I beg. Don't kill anybody.
What will she ever do? Eh? She always activates this as so-called bad mood.
I understand, and I must talk to her. Things must not continue this way between you two, okay?
Please, I'm counting on you on that.
Don't worry, trust me, I will. What have I done wrong this time around?
Did I ask you to put in a good word for me? Eh? Why do you like being too forward? Why?
Nwabu, that young man doesn't mean any harm.
So?
But he looks like a thief.
Oh!
Okay, Natanoge.
Hi, this your mother, eh? This your grandmother. You're right anyway. But I promise, listen.
She's just trying to protect you.
Who are these idiots? What are they doing in my land? Yeah? Who are these people trespassing in my land? Who are you trespassing in my land? Eh? Who are you? Oh, Mwabu. You? What are you doing in my land?
Jero, what did he say? Your land.
My land, of course. I own it with nobody.
Papikenna, this piece of land belongs to our father. And we all used to farm here before he passed on. Why do you like trouble?
I am glad you said before he passed on. After that, what happened? The man of the family took over the land and the cash crop. That is our tradition. Women don't own land and cash crop. And that's why I warned you people not to touch any of the family's land without my permission.
Uncle, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's inhuman.
Cheru, what are you trying to do? You want to cry because of this nonsense he just vomited? Leave him! He's just vomiting saliva. He's spilling saliva everywhere. Do what you are doing. Let me see who will come and stop us. Nonsense.
If you want to try me, touch any grass here and see what I will do.
Eh?
Yes.
It's again.
Ask him if you want to try me, touch any grass.
Eh? What will you do?
Ekwana can be Pugisi.
Mba. Leave him.
You right!
I will cut off your neck.
Let's go. Leave him.
Oh!
Leave him.
Don't allow me to deal with you.
Wait. Yes, leave me.
Papa said she leave him.
I'm going to too much, oh. Eh? Yeah, I'm going to too much.
This small girl.
You are still talking.
Don't allow me to deal with you.
You are still talking. No, let me see.
I'm talking to you.
Let me see. Try your worst.
You are doing so much. I warn you.
Let's go.
You people should leave this place.
Come teach this man lesson.
But whatever they call you. Stop trying me.
Leave him. Let us go. Leave him.
Oh.
God will keep judging you.
You are taking it too much. You, small girl. You people should get out here. Get out here! What am I doing that is not good? Do I change the tradition of the people because of you? Do I change the tradition of the people because of you? No woman owns land and cash crops. Is it because I'm a gentleman? Eh? You have tried me enough oh. Huh. Hey. Okay, what is wrong with this girl? Eh? Nonsense.
Wait. You girls are trying to tell me that Obiano stopped you from farming on that piece of land?
Not just that, Mama. He also threatened to kill anyone who ever steps into that land again.
Hey! Obiano. Obiapo. Oh, so this is what you're planning. Where? You want to take over that piece of land and everything that belongs to my son. Eh? Can one mom starve here to death? Can you understand? Eh?
Nebe, is it possible? Hey, Mama, Oma walk no? Not while I'm still alive. Eh? Not. See, who is he? Who is he to stop us from making use of what Papa left for us? Although not possible, ask both of them. If not for them, I would have dealt with him. Thus, I would have taught him a lesson today.
Wabomba. Eh? You should not beat up an old man. It is here, stop beating him.
You lie. As long as he has refused to respect himself, one day I will disgrace him.
I have heard what you people said. Eh? And I am going to talk to the woman about this because
what are these voices I hear in this compound this morning? Don't tell me that you people have started fighting again, no? Eh? Nwabo?
Uncle, we are not fighting yet, but the fight will soon start if nothing is done about Papi Kena's trouble.
What has Obiano done again?
You think what has Obiano not done? Obiano went to the piece of land where my children were farming. You know that piece of land? No. He sent them away and told them to stop farming. Machete and started chasing them. He said he will kill them. Now you just tell me, what is it that he wants? Can he fortune for us to die in this house? From starvation or fortune?
May God forbid that. That cannot happen.
Nani, do you know what he planned? He planned to kill all of us. He wants to turn my daughters into outcasts. Or the possible?
No. No! That cannot happen. We must look into it. Yes, we must look into it.
Better look into it, oh. Look into it well, because if you don't, I will be forced to handle the case my own way. And you know, my own way now. Because when I do it, I'm very sure that nobody will like me. And trust me, I will not spare. Because I got pretty quick. I get
Will you go why you know how well. Oh, where you were body cabin now walk. Because and them.
Obiano welcome. Ndalo. Omwa. Hey.
You're always very fortunate.
I'm always a lucky person.
Very lucky. Sit down.
Hey.
Let me.
No. Don't bother yourself. I've had enough from my place.
I'm sure we are safe.
Yes. Everything is okay.
Yes.
I came in respect of the complaint made by Ijenna and her grandchildren about you. Yes.
Yes, if you have come to know with that. Yes. That is what I told them. But let me repeat it again to you before you. You see, that I told them that before they go to the land and pick anything from our land, they have to seek for my approval. I didn't tell them not to enter our land. No.
Approve Guinea.
Approval. Yes.
Obiano, you are taking this thing too far. Believe me, You are getting the whole thing wrong. How could...
No, take time, take time, take time in this.
Yeah. Oh, you go quick. What? No you see what you've caused?
What about
okay, my name.
And then?
And then? Yeah.
Look, Weke. You know I'm only defending the tradition of the people.
Which tradition? What do you mean about tradition?
What do you mean? Are they not supposed to be married?
What one day?
We will no longer take it. Exactly, Mama. His zone is now too much in this compound. It is time we fight back.
I've been insulting Papa here since morning. Calling Papa all sorts of names. Look at this idiot.
What if it is true? What are you going to do?
Answer her question.
What happened today?
Olachi attacked us.
Olachi Nkoni. You see Mbaka.
She just came in and saw us exchanging words with the father, who sees the pear we pluck from Iruno.
Hey! Sorry. Obiakpo sees pear.
Yes!
And then Mbaka came to fight you before here. Yay! I got
Mom, come back here. Mama, you don't go fight,
Mama, leave her. Let us go and teach these people a lesson.
I don't have the energy.
I was coming to see.
And I was coming to see it.
Tibo, they have killed him.
It's not possible.
See him down. Hey!
Hey! Bring water!
Okay,
Go and bring water.
Ike!
Go and bring water.
Ike! How?
Go and bring water. Water. Ndo! Hey! Ndo!
Oh! I knew he was faking it. Oh! In a form more death.
Stand up.
Get up.
Squandoya is getting caught to kill my daughter.
I'm holding him now.
I don't know why
Papa, Weke. See your father. See me here.
Why is everybody holding? Leave me now. Nothing is wrong with me.
We know. Just
where is Mwabwani?
go inside.
Why is everybody holding me? There's nothing wrong with me now.
Okay, go inside now.
Give them, Papa. Do you want to
Papa, why are you taking me inside? Can't I walk inside?
Go inside first. Okay.
I'm okay now.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah! Unu ga ebu kwachu na boda.
Yeah, wait though. You are trying to say that Ola threatened you with her cult boyfriend.
You've not seen anything yet. She said so, and she seems bent on making good her threats.
What can she do? What nonsense? If she eventually brings in any stranger to this land, I will deal with that person. See, I am from the city. I'm from one city. You understand? What nonsense?
Yeah, no, that's sure. If anybody enters this village with any stupid intention, I am Naija. We'll finish the person.
I trust you guys. I know what you can do.
Okay.
I'm so proud of you too.
That girl get mind.
Overmind the warrior.
She opened that idiot that she come out to talk rubbish.
Dustbin.
Yeah? Does she expect you people to be scared?
Trust her, my sister. She asked her to try it. She asked her to dare it, and she will disgrace both of them.
Mwabo, go and wagaba.
I don't know where that
If she will finish the entire...
Forget it. I will personally deal with them. I will place them in a place that they will do death to them part.
Calm down. Miko.
What are you not talking? See, what is that girl's name?
Ola.
Ola. Write it down for me. I will place it somewhere. Forget about this voice. See, I've been singing since last night. That is why my voice is like this.
Udo.
Yeah.
Udo. You mean what?
I want to venture into music.
Udo the rapper.
Musician.
Udo the rapper.
Forget these people that are singing. What is it? Fino. Congasso them. Forget them. I mingle with this guy called Prancy.
I don't know this part of you.
You don't know. Start doing it now.
May give you that. May give you
Please, let's hear the lyrics.
Beat. Okay. Tikanti.
Hey, Wabo. Wabo nne. Didn't you hear me calling you?
So I should forget the fact that I'm already late for the market. Then I should stop and start listening to the rubbish I know you are going to say now.
But what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You don't even know why I was calling you. Better stop this your behavior. You behave childishly.
It's again, Fichono, my friend. Fichono, go so. See, Barak go. Take your time. Watch your mouth, oh.
Ta. Mind which mouth? Which mouth?
It's again.
Which mouth? Wait now. Let me talk to you now. Don't be in a hurry. I heard that your cousin Olachi threatened to bring her court boyfriend to deal with you. What happened?
Is that news? Is that news? Nonsense. Yeah.
But wait. Must you take everything for granted? See, those boys are dangerous boys. So court boys. Fear them. They can kill at any time. Your cousin threatened to employ her court boyfriend to deal with you, and you're here telling me that it's nonsense. You better begin to take things serious.
Is this the reason you stopped me now?
Okay, that's not enough.
No, it is not enough. It is as useless as you are, because you are very useless.
Nwabo, what? Nwabo, I know you can insult me the way you like. Insult me the way you want. I will take it from you. You've been doing it. I'm used to it. But don't tell me not to bother when your life is in danger. Do you understand?
Because I will bother. Danger. Maybe I'm the one in danger. It is my headache up here. It is not your own. Allow me to drink and alone. Leave me alone. Can I go now?
You can't go now. Wait first now. I know you're doing all these things to stay. Mwabe na bakarat.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Yeah? What is it? Which driving school issued you driving license? Are you mad? Did they tell you that this place is for learners?
Look at this. Look at this young lady. Huh? Look at you. Who gave you the audacity? Who gave you the impetus to insult me?
Charo, now me you dey speak grammar give. So you don't know how to say you're sorry?
What?
You might have to sorry.
I should say what? Sorry to you. Or you're the one that is supposed to apologize to me and not me apologizing to you.
Apologize to me. Wait. You threw away my tomatoes. If I fungwa him, then I should say sorry to you, apologize to you. Yes. For you to fungwa him.
Yes. What kind of a girl are you?
Punish your girlfriend.
Are you mad? This girl, are you mad?
I'm maybe the tomato. You don't even know how to drive.
Are you stupid? You're a mad woman. You're a mad girl, you this girl.
Hello. You're still talking.
I'm still talking.
No, if you say anything there again, I will use the remaining tomato here to bust you.
What is wrong with you?
Promise with a guarantee.
Whoa.
Listen, Since Nwabu feels she's very stubborn, and has the strength of a tiger, I want to allow her meet her match. Call what if I know?
You dare it not, Olachi. You cannot do that. You can never do that. Let me tell you something. Let me just advise you. If you know what is good for you, don't even try to bring that guy into this village. Because I will make sure he does not live alive. It's a promise, oh.
Wait, what did you just say?
Brother, wait. Brother, wait. Wait. This is my fight. Oh, this hand.
This is my fight too.
Calm down. Let me finish this boy.
Hey.
Come, this boy. Can you tell me what relationship you have with Wam that is making you to try to get yourself involved in a matter that does not concern you? Who are you to Wam?
Don't mind this idiot. You need to see the way Chika has been following Wam one Nike like Ichiji. Part of it all is that Wam does not even give a damn about this idiot. Why? You know, sometimes I wonder if he knows what he's doing. You know Wam one. Wam does not even look like a girl.
Nobody.
Tell me what a man will be doing with a fellow man. Is it not an abomination?
Are you okay?
Aru!
Ikenna! Ikenna!
Okay.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth! I will pull your eyes!
Watch your
mouth!
Don't show yourself.
If you leave me, I will destroy something. I will do what I will regret.
Let me to fight this hand.
So, okay.
If you ever try it with my brother,
Hey.
you.
I want you to see,
How want to challenge a city girl?
Da, which city guy? Which city girl?
You are challenging me.
It's okay.
If you know the man,
I could tell him.
Why are you always looking for my trouble? Have I not warned you not to put your dirty things on my table? I got wrong here before. Why are you always looking for my trouble? I got Peria. What is your problem? There's no one here when I came. I decided to use you before you come. Is that a crime? Jello, do you know you're very wicked? You're the wicked. You don't like people touching your things. You don't like people using your things. Mano go abu number 1 ni use nkem mado. Come on, go go my stop boy so. Chineke. What wine? What's again? Do you want? I will just use this and plug your eyes this morning. Are you mad? Why are you telling that she's very wicked? Negative wicked. Negative wicked. Negative wicked. I'm not gonna go.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I was trying to reach you, but your cell phones were off. Oh, I see. Yes, Mom. I'm in the village now. Yeah, my journey was smooth, very smooth. Yes, very smooth. Yeah, and the village is cool. So how are you? I hope you're not missing me that much. Okay, Mom. I won't stay longer than I planned. Yes, Mom. I'll check it first thing tomorrow morning. Oh yes, no, the village is cool. Yes, Mom. Love you, Mom.
So, these people can go behind my back to sell all my land. No! Okay. Where is Ijenna?
Who is this?
I said, where is Ijenna? Where is Ijenna? Ijenna, where are you? Where are you? Where is your grandmother? Where is your grandmother? She wants to sell my piece of land at Umpo Road.
Jesus.
Don't you know that is stealing?
My land!
Sell? What are you talking about?
Don't be stupid. Are you trying to claim that you don't know what I'm talking about? While you were the ones that took her there.
Uncle, we did not take our grandmother anywhere. And point of correction, that piece of land is not yours alone. It's our family land.
My friend, shut up! Shut up! I'm not fair.
Let Ujiri strike this your trap.
Amen.
That you come out.
He said.
Nonsense.
He said.
Obiano, what is it again this early morning?
Thank
You
God
can't
she's here.
believe what Uncle is saying.
Uncle is there lying against you. That you want to sell that piece of land at Nkwa Road to someone.
Oluchi, did you just call my father a liar? See, if you don't shut that trap up, I am going to shut it up.
Oh, he is lying now. Even if he did, what is his business? What is his business? Is it not our family land?
Adugo. Look what I can there. What I can also. Adugo, I can see now you got some ghosts. You have mouth to talk. One day, man, what they just chair. When they keep what chair him, you put a walk.
I beg you in the name of God. I don't want any problems this morning. Take your children and go back to your house.
When you were here, when your stupid children called my father a liar.
Don't mind her.
You, this woman, I'm beginning to suspect you.
Akati Kolo? Akati? Olachi. And what if you did? What are you going to do? Okay. May I come? What are you going to do?
Oluchi. Oluchi. You are asking what she will do.
Yes! Yeah, may I come? Let her do it. Let me see.
I hope you are aware that your crazy sister is not at home. Even if she is, we will still do what we do. Now let me tell you, we can still beat you people blue, black and red this morning. But when you beat your honor, if you didn't close your mouth, idiot.
Ikenna. You called my sister crazy, right?
That's who she is. But that's what she is.
Just make sure you repeat everything you just said when she gets back.
I will say it.
This is Wabu's family's house.
Okay. Okay, this one is the house. So is the uncle's house.
Wabu and two of her siblings and the grandmother stays here.
This particular one?
Yes.
So, do you know if she's around? Huh?
These idiots like taking me for granted. Wabu! Oluchi and Adugo, come out here now!
Papa Ikenna, what is it again?
May thunder blow this thing you come out. This stinking thing you come out. Thunder scatter it.
Uncle, you lie. Thunder will not do her anything because she did not insult you. What is it? Why do you always like making trouble with us?
Ukwensu Gemega Alu for saying that I make trouble with you.
It is you that Ukwensu
What trouble? If you know that you don't like trouble, why entering people's day? Why?
Wait. You don't understand. What is going on? Did anyone say we stepped into their bed?
Okay. Why did you plug that pier that's around Market Square? Which I warned you people never to touch anything that belongs to this family without my permission.
Bia. Why are you making noise? What is your problem? Entering people's house? Did anybody enter your thing? Oh, you're a bamboo. You're not ashamed of yourself. So because of the pier we plucked from our father's land, that is why you're here making noise up here? In fact, disappear.
What? Does that mean you dare to disappear with this your dirty mouth?
Ichiku. So, get out. Go now. Chero, can I do my juju? You are still... Come, cut away you from here.
See? You push me. You push me.
You can get the work out enough for muzzle. I'm enough for muzzle.
Come, Sarah, what's this one? Push me like this. Eh? You push me like this. You visitors.
Strangers in my house. You are visitors here. Squatters. You are just squatting. Yes. This is my house.
I beg you. In our father's house.
Is that how she is? He's so strong. But the problem is she doesn't feel for trouble. But if you find her, man, you that prayer. You that prayer where get. She's so strong. I told you now. One minute, it's a passer here. I'm feeling interested.
Mama? Mama, what are you doing here? You've not slept? I thought Adugo said you're in your room. Mama, why are you sad? You're looking very sad. Okay, ho? Don't even tell me it's because of Uncle Obiano. You can know Obiano.
He's treating me this way because I have no male child. If your father were to be alive, would he be treating me like this?
I know. And that is why I am trying my best to make him understand that you have somebody. And that as long as I am here and I'm still alive, living in this house, that he can't treat you anyhow. And I'm trying, Mama. I'm trying my best.
But you can't be fighting him every day. It will not solve any problem. Hello. One day you girls will get married. You will go to your husband's house. I will die. Otazilaka. Obiano will take over everything. The lands we are fighting for, your father's house, all the property, Obiano Buluna.
Mama, I think you're right.
No. 3 beautiful granddaughters. Onye ọbụla n'ụdị nke ndị nwa na-eji ọbọnị black bụlụ sọ mma, nke ọzọ na-acha ogologo bụlụ afịa, nke ọzọ ọ na-ete ọ dịka ebe ọbagwu na-aga. Ụmụazị bụ sọ mma. If it were nowadays, one of you would have stayed back and started having children in her father's house so that your father's lineage will not close or continue.
Mama, that was in your own days. I am very sure a lot of things have changed now.
Hey, Mbano, the tradition still exists.
I'm sure. It's not possible, I doubt it. Because no girl in her right senses will agree to such in this 21st century. Oh, not possible, Mama.
Also, let me be sad in my own corner.
Mama, come, let's go.
I don't want to go and sleep. They are more 21st century.
Mama, Biko. I don't want to laugh this night. Come, let's go.
such an interesting girl. The kind of village girl I, Nelson, cannot afford to lose. The more I think of her, the more fascinating she becomes. Oh. Okay. Okay.
That is right. That is certainly the reason Obiano is doing all this. What do you plan to do about it?
Nani, I was thinking, see, Mama wrote if I should go and bring a young girl into the house. Marry her and she will bear children for my late son. But on the other hand, I'm Naija that maybe I could get one of my granddaughters, marry her, then she will bear the children for my late son.
Have you seen any girl to marry?
Well, I was just thinking about it. I've not seen anybody yet.
Which of your daughters do you have in mind?
My granddaughters? Oh, wow. Any of them or Dabal, anyone can serve. Any one of them that understands the tradition, that will be okay for me.
Have you discussed with any of the girls?
Not really. But I spoke about it a little, wanting to Wabu. You got to go. And honestly, if you ask me, I think Wabu is the only one that I can convince.
So do everything you can to convince her. You know she loves you so much. And others do. You know, you are a woman. And you don't expect me to teach you stuff like that.
When you get very old, you turn into a man.
You are still the beautiful Ijenna. That beautiful village figure, all the young men in this village were ready to have. Nothing has changed about you. Age is only but a number, like the white men say.
That was there. The good old days.
I mean what I'm saying.
Hey. But I just hope this
will work.
You. You again. The motor guy, Okuya. What do you want? Have you come for another round of tomato stoning? Because I'm ready for you.
No. See, I did not come here for troubles, okay?
So what did you come to do?
I just came to buy tomatoes.
You came to buy tomatoes? Chero! Oh, now you want to buy tomatoes? If you had killed me the other day with your car, would I have been alive to sell tomatoes to you?
No, what happened the other day wasn't my fault. You see, you were just trying.
You are still forming Mr. Right for me. What can I form Mr. Right? Oh, yeah, fool!
I'm sorry, please.
I don't want to sell to you. Go. Look at Nanya. Is it by force? Baba! Hey, oh yeah, come. Bia, come, let me say to you. But next time, don't be claiming Mr. Right with me. Tomato ego ne kecho.
500.
Sauce.
Yeah.
500. Akwa ngwa na akpọ m ihe ụtụtụ. Only 500. Mmezi. Come and take your 1.5.
No, don't worry. Give it change, yeah?
1.5. 1. Hey! Ọkọna nchitiri ya. 1. Hey! Ihuoma! 1.5. Hey! Ke nwaanyị ụchụ a! Nwaanyị ụchụ! Ọkwa isi na mama nlafia!
Where are you going to now? Come, let me help you. Let me give you a lift.
Thank you.
I'll drop you now. Let me drop you back. Let me drop you in your house. I'll put in my boot. Mwabo, please. Please, let me just drop you.
Stop beating me.
Well, let me just drop you.
Okay, I would have entered, but there's no space for my barrel.
But that one is not the problem now. I'll carry your barrel and put in my boot.
I don't want.
Why are you behaving like this?
Stop beating me. Leave me.
Wambu, calm down. Calm down. Is it because just small pause now you want to break my windscreen? Huh? Come on, pause. You want to just go pause. Take it. So you want to break my windscreen? Come on, pause. Come on, pause. You want to break my windscreen?
I told you. I'll finish. Okay. Let's start again.
Good afternoon. Please, I'm looking for Wabo.
Wabo. Which Wabo?
Wabo, they say she stays here. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Wabo.
What are you doing here? Don't tell me you followed me to this place yesterday.
No, I did not.
So how did you find here?
It was necessary for me to locate you, so I had to ask, and they directed me to your house. Come to think of it, is this how you entertain your visitors? I thought you were supposed to take me in, sit me down, and give me something very chilled.
The only thing that will take me into this house is for me to go and get a big pestle, a kodo, and then I will use it to break that your head if you don't get out of this compound now.
Well, I know you won't do such a thing. You can't do such a thing.
Ezioku, what makes you think I can't do it?
Because you have something that belongs to me. You have something that belongs to me.
Look for it there. Search! Nonsense.
Hey! Afuwana manya.
Wabu.
Afuwana manya.
You are a thief. Go away. I did not steal anything, no. I don't even know how he entered the purse.
Ah! He didn't steal the bag. He didn't steal the wallet. Also, money back again. So you stole the young man's wallet?
My friend, mind your language. She did not steal my wallet. She did not steal it. It's all my fault. I was trying to give her a lift and I left my wallet in her purse. She did not steal it.
Let's mind our business. Let's continue minding our business.
Wabu, I'm sorry, I did not mean to embarrass you. Your boss. Wabu, calm down. Just a step closer. Let me see how you're going to escape this time. Nelson. Just a bad meeting.
Where are you going to?
What's your business? Eh? Is that why you wanted to jam me?
Wabu, I never expected you to be talking to me in such a manner. After saving your ass earlier today, I wasn't expecting you to be talking to me like this.
You saved my ass?
Yes.
What is ass? My friend, you did not save any ass, so you just saved me from embarrassment. Eh? My cousins would have painted my name black today in the village.
Is that not saving your ass? At least you should thank me for that. That's all I mean.
My friend, I think you're the one that owes me an answer.
How?
How did your wallet enter my bag?
Wabu, I should be the one asking you how my wallet entered your purse. I should be the one asking you. Oh, so you believe that story I cooked up there just to save you?
Nelson, I did not steal your wallet, oh. I did not touch your wallet at all.
But at least, I'm just telling you, just appreciate what I did for you. It's not like I'm begging you, but at least just say, you know, just be appreciative. That's just what I want from you.
Okay, oh. Okay. Thank you.
You see, you need to be, the way you're sounding is too childish.
How?
Well, you need to be mature. You see, when you want to be appreciative, you have to be mature enough to be appreciative. You know, not just saying thank you. You need to be more appreciative, as mature as you are, as a mature man. Yeah? You just.
You are insane. In our way, you are very mad. Go. Have my voice. I was also appreciative. My appreciation. Huh? Taro, Mama. What are you afraid of?
All those young boys out there that keep following you, but I don't like it though.
Mama, you don't have to worry yourself. Eh? You should learn to trust me.
I trust you. Well, you don't know those men there. Eh? When they want something, they will look for any way. They will do anything to get it. Eh? See, they can even set a trap for you and you will fall into it. Mama, if an MA.
Not me. Not me, Mama. I am different. I know how to avoid men and their traps. You know, go.
But Emma, I wouldn't want you to bring any kind of shit.
I want my own husband. I want kids. I want a house. So don't even think of engaging me in that job.
Look at the way you're sleeping on the road. Are you a child? Zokwano Omwegi. If you are snoring, and that's how everybody that will be passing will know that you snore while you sleep. Why did you wait till you get to your house before sleeping?
Ah! Hi, this malaria, fever, fever.
Well, I'll do it because you are sick. But once I get to your house, Nilo, I will start going from there.
Yes, you don't have any problem.
Mama, oh yeah, wait. Open the door, open, let's go. Open. Sorry. Oh yeah, start.
What's happening? Put it again. Okay, it's okay,
well, okay. Hey, hey, whoa. Hey, take it easy, oh. Take it easy. I don't know how to drive, oh. Take it easy. I don't know how to drive this. Turn which side? Hold it now.
I've boiled water for you. So get up and have your bath.
You're still here. I thought you were gone.
No. I told you I wanted to go and boil water for you. Wait, you think I will leave you like this, in this condition and go?
That is so thoughtful of you. Very thoughtful of you. Wabo, you're a good girl. And that is why I want to make you my friend.
I don't understand you.
I am sorry I have not been able to tell you this all this while. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. I don't know why, but I just can't help it. Baby, I promise you I will never hurt you. I'll always treat you like the queen that you are.
Biko, please. Nelson, I don't understand anything you just said now. Because number one, sick people don't talk about love. Number two, your water is getting cold. So get up there and go and bath. Awabagomo.
Biko, please try and come back and check on me, Biko.
Don't expect it. Get up there and go and bath. The child will bang.
Biko, come back and check on me. Come and see if I'm doing fine. Wabo, you're a good girl. And that is why I want to make you my friend.
I don't understand you.
I am sorry I have not been able to tell you this all this while. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. I don't know why, but I just can't help it. Baby, I promise you I will never hurt you. I'll always treat you like the queen that you are.
Nobody has ever used such sweet words on me. You even called me babe. Babe, that's baby now. Hi. But, is it for real? Wow. What are you thinking, Seth? Hmm? It won't work. It won't work. All these city boys, they sharp. They guarisi. And where are they? And where are? It won't work.
Babe, you're here.
I do not come here because of what you think.
Why not just come inside first? Let me thank you for what you did to me yesterday. Please?
I will come in, but I don't want you to thank me. I don't want anything from you. I just want to tell you what I want to tell you and then I will go. You gotta go.
Whatever, just come in, okay? Come in. I love you so much. Mom, you will not regret ever knowing me. All I want to do is just to make you happy. Mom, I want you to understand, okay? I love you so much. I'm not going to hurt you. See, all I want to give to you is happiness, okay?
I've heard.
Yes.
Leave me alone. Leave me. What is it? Leave me alone.
Wabu! Wabu! Where is this girl now? Wabu! Wabu! Wabu, have you heard? Wabu, what is wrong with you? How is he doing you?
I don't know. My head aches. And then since 2 days now, I've been vomiting. My stomach, especially
Go and see a doctor. Go and see.
Opele romance, obukansi je, ometomaka herande, obuli me chai. This boy me malo, this boy me malo. Ifele bufanu mo, this boy me malo. This boy bulubia
Kelechi, are you trying to tell me you arrived the village last night?
Yes, so I didn't even know you were still around.
Of course I'm still around. I still have an unfinished business here in the village. Though I've struck the deal, but I still have to finish it up.
Don't tell me you're talking about
Kele.
This guy says, how do you mean you have struck the deal? Nelson, don't tell me you have slept with that girl.
Bingo.
Ha! Nelson. What kind of jar did you use on that girl? Huh? I mean, how did you manage to humble that very girl?
That is because you don't know me. You don't know me. See, let me tell you, Kelechi. I'm a badass nigga, dude. Badass one, I'm telling you.
Indeed, you have found yourself a wife. Obi agbawam. Nelson. So it's a one.
Pieces.
Hey! It's a one.
Pieces.
Otari gonwa, otapia sicha gonwa no. Huh? Can you befa? Nelson. So she know all the way from town. But over that, that my aka na po enwa. Tapia nwa.
I don't choose.
Oh, Obi agbawam.
Nah, all that you bring the food now.
Take it easy.
Come. Nah, hey. Nah, Papa. I won't wait for all that to be done.
Amen. You want to
No, matter. I just want to eat so that I will go and sleep. Early to bed, early to rise.
You know, I don't like rice.
Papa, don't worry. Eat. Tomorrow I'll cook your favorite. Oh?
Thank you. I'm happy you are back.
Papa, if you don't like this rice, just go inside and sleep.
If we needed to see what happened today.
What?
Hey! If you see what I saw today.
What did you see?
Run.
What happened?
I saw one man vomiting earlier today. I'm afraid it looks like she's pregnant.
Please allow me. You're very funny.
Why are you laughing? I know what I'm saying because of the way she has been behaving recently.
Honestly, you're very funny. You're funny. How can you say that? I'm pregnant.
No problem.
How can a man get pregnant? It's not possible now.
Don't mind her. Don't mind her, my son. When I'm pregnant, does a man chase after a fellow man? What is the feminine qualities Mwab has in her that can attract a man?
I wonder. Papa, just ask her.
Yeah, I wonder too. But I know what I saw. You will say I said this. See, Mwab is pregnant.
All right, please allow me.
You're not a woman now.
No, change another topic. If you're not interested in it,
that must be.
But do you know a pregnant woman when you see her?
Sweetheart, I've been expecting you in my house all this while. I mean, why didn't you show up? Are you avoiding me? Huh? Oh, okay. Are you still angry over what happened the other day? And what about?
Nelson. I really want to talk to you about something.
You know where to find me. You know, your what? Preg what? Huh? You... One person, let me tell you, okay? You cannot just pull those stunts. You can't pull such stunts on me.
Nelson, I am serious.
You're not serious. Just get out, let me pass. Just one mouth that I just did, only one mouth. It's not like I did it like I was enjoying it that much. It was a village flavor that I just wanted, that's all. Come on, call me my car.
Oh,
nothing but a slut in this village. Who doesn't know her?
Ola. Ola. Stop calling my sister a slut. Stop calling my sister a slut, oh. Stop calling my sister a slut.
Every single thing she said
Stop calling
when
my
she
sister
gets
a
back.
slut. Ola, stop calling my sister a
She is nothing but a slut. A professional one at that.
Okay. Very good. Ola, just make sure you repeat every single thing you just said in front of her when she gets back.
I said Wab is a slut. What will happen? Hey. If you like, go and call her. Ola. I will say it before her. Heaven will not break.
Wait. Let me summarize this. What do you people even take this to your sisters?
Did we ask for your opinion?
Eh?
Who invited you?
What are you people even taking
Go
this to your sisters?
inside. This is women talk.
Is it as Hulk Hogan in America? Go up on Mike and Nanny. Go on, go kill him. What you do?
Ikenna.
Go inside.
Ikenna, go inside.
Go inside.
Oh, you will not do anything.
Don't call my name.
Don't come to our house.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Shut up, leave her alone.
I will not go anywhere.
You're in our house, oh. You're in our house, oh. Come and beat me. Come and beat me. Thank God she's back. Hey, sister, welcome. Sister, can you imagine Ikenna and Ola? Do you know what they've been saying?
These people, Ola and Ikenna, they've been gossiping with your name, calling you all sorts of things. That you're a slut. You don't want to say something?
Sister, are you going inside?
Who called her name? Who called her name?
I don't even have your time.
Is her name Power Mike? Is her name Power Mike?
Okay.
Oh, Power Mike, that's there. Let's take come out.
Why is she
running? Is her name Power Mike?
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Let me just go and finish what I'm doing inside.
Finish what?
Is her name Power Mike?
Come out! Mom is a slut! Village Keziah. Who doesn't know her?
What's going on? Why the mood? Did anything happen over?
Sister, this is the first time I'm seeing you in such mood. What happened? You're crying.
Well, boy, you know you can always talk to us. Say something. Did you fight with anyone?
Talk to us. Did anybody die? What is it? Talk to us. This is not you. Sister, where are you going to? Sister, what is it? What is going on, my sister? I've not seen her like that before. This is the way Ikenna went talking and Ola went talking and she did not say anything. And now she doesn't want to talk to us.
Don't cry. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to her. Eh? When she calms down, she'll talk to us. You know,
Are you sure she's
talk to
okay?
us. It's okay. I'm here. Don't worry.
Okay.
Mom, when did you walk into my house?
I came to talk to you.
About what?
I wasn't joking when I said what I said. Nelson, I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? That's no big deal. There are so many girls, so many single girls out there that get pregnant every day around the world. And you know what they resort to? The one and only solution, which is abortion.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm saying in that effect is that you just go back there, you go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy.
Unwanted?
Yes, unwanted.
What is that supposed to mean? Nelson, it's your child. Your child.
And what does that make you? The mother of my child? Wabu, you're funny. Just wake up.
I don't get you. You said you loved me. Nelson, you told me you loved me.
I can't remember saying anything like that. Yeah, but even if I did, I mean, if I did, then it was a mistake. I mean, which man in his rightful senses will fall in love with something, a bush local girl like you? Tell me, which man in his right senses will fall in love with come on. You don't even have the qualities of the kind of girls I deal with in the city. You don't, and you expect me, Nelson. Oh, you think I'll lose my senses of judgment and fall in love with a local girl like you? God. Oh, yes.
You're actually saying this to me?
Yes, I am saying it to you. Well, if it were me, I would not hesitate to go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy. That is, if I was responsible for this pregnancy. But I'm not.
I won't.
You won't?
Never.
Never.
I won't do it.
Then suit yourself, keep the pregnancy, and get out of my house. You have called my name over 1,000,000 times, but that will not change anything. Leave my house. Leave my house or I'll be forced to push you.
Nelson, try it. Touch me, Nelson. Try it. Try it.
Just leave.
Nelson.
Mwabu.
Nelson.
Mwabu. Leave my house.
What would have made the almighty one about shed tears? This is serious. Talk to me now, it's me. Talk to me now.
What's your problem?
Now shed tears. Ha! Mabu crying.
What kind of problem is this? Eh? Mabu gala putakwa mmadu. Did you see her? Oh. What kind of problem is this now? Eh? How can Mabu be outside till now? That be okay, oh. God, please protect my sister from me. Eh? Mabu. Sister. Where have you been? What happened? Come. Just come. Where have you been? Mabu, you look very sad. God, you're even crying. What exactly is going on? What is the problem?
Are you going to remain silent? We are your sisters, and you can share your pain with us. Sister, remember, a problem shared is half solved.
Mabu, please say something. Say something, I beg you. Leave her alone.
Oh, Mama, you can see that something is troubling her.
If she doesn't want to say anything, will you force her? Mama, come here.
Mama, we can't leave her in this condition. We can't leave her in...
Go and sleep. Let me sit down.
Don't cry again, yeah? Mama, good night.
Achifo.
Ubuachi.
What troubles you? My name. Do you know, I was the one that gave you that name. You know, I was a twin. But I lost my twin sister when we were young. But when your mother was pregnant, when she had you in her stomach, my twin sister appeared to me. Severally. And I knew she was trying to tell me that she was coming back. Eh? You can talk to me. Don't worry. If you don't feel like saying anything, don't say anything. I understand. Your pain is my pain. You can talk to me. I can help you solve whatever problem it is. No.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Sorry what? Sorry, forgive me.
I'm very, very sorry, Mama.
If you do so what the wrong, you can tell me.
Mama, I am emperor.
Demon, you're pregnant. Hey!
Mama, what happened?
Eh? What is what?
You shouted.
Go to bed.
Mama, she's still crying now.
You say no, Papa, Mama,
go to bed.
Mama, you guys she's crying. You are telling us to go and sleep.
This is not fair. You're telling us to go and sleep while our sister is crying. This is not fair. I'm sorry.
Why? How? Get on your man. Get on your tobale. Who got you pregnant?
Mama, the man responsible
is
rejected it, and he told me to go and remove it. He said I should abort it, Mama.
If you put down on our banner, so what if you will come to my room now? Tell me everything that happened. One more no. Let's go to bed.
What? Mwabu pregnant?
That is how I see it, oh my God.
That is how I see it. Chai. Alaroma to win. I didn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep.
She is the least person I expect to be saying men. Eh? If it were to be other of her sisters, I wouldn't have been so surprised. How did it happen?
I've been asking that same question. How did it happen? Who would have told me that Wabu of all people will get pregnant?
Who is the man responsible for the pregnancy?
She told me no, late Okoro Umueze's son. Okoro Umueze of Umunka clan. Oh, you know, okay.
Oh, that young man. Does it mean something has been going on with him and our daughter? Eh? Besides, he doesn't live in this village now.
No. Abu told me that he has been around, all around. Naturally, one man, nearly, now wearly. Eh? Hey! That the boy denied the pregnancy.
Okay. What? Deny Guinea? Eh? Is he out of his senses? Does he know the family he is messing with?
The family.
Don't worry. I must do something. Young man, I don't understand what you are talking about.
What I'm trying to say is that I am not trying to deny Wabu. Wabu is my friend. But what we maintain is a casual relationship, strictly platonic. That's it.
Nelson.
Yes? Wabu, did I touch you? Huh? Did I make love to you?
Me.
Then how am I responsible for your pregnancy? How did I get you pregnant?
Young man, are you trying to tell me you are not responsible for my daughter's pregnancy?
I'm not.
What you're saying is different from what my daughter told me. She told me that you accepted. You accepted this pregnancy.
Yes.
But you told her to take it out.
I'm talking this.
Yes.
Mama, she's your daughter.
Yes.
So you choose to believe what she has told you.
Gracias.
She doesn't lie. Well, Mama, I have told you the truth and nothing but the truth. I am not responsible for that pregnancy. I am not responsible for it.
Yes, you're lying.
What? Wabu, leave him. Leave him.
Did I touch your pants? Ask yourself. Ask yourself. Did I touch you? Did I touch your pants?
Leave him. Leave him.
Mama is lying.
Sit down there. Young man, sit down. I said sit down.
He's lying, no. He's lying, Nelson.
Young man, do you realize what you are doing? And what you stand to face if you are finally found guilty of this offense?
Yes, I know. I know the consequences. I know. And I am ready to swear before any Lucy. I will swear to prove my innocence. I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. I'm ready.
Hi.
A pregnancy that is not. I'm not responsible for it.
Where are you going?
Ozugo!
Wabu, you're
Nacha was so. It's okay, Melagaro. As soon as no for Bunama no for.
Mama is lying. He accepted before. He don't say that I should go and remove it. I don't know why he's lying. Hey!
No.
Hey! Olachi! Ola! Olachi! Oh, thank God. Come. Olachi, it has happened. That you said about one is right. About her pregnancy. You're right.
She's pregnant for real?
See, I had everything this afternoon. The worst of it all is that the guy that impregnated her denied everything. The guy is no now,
Ogini. Now this is hot gist. We need to break it down.
It's a very big gist. He will give me food though.
This boy a bulubia, possible this and that. Mpeteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka here and there, obulime.
Oh, Olachi, I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Why are you calling my name? I'm not ready to go and fetch water for you. I'm hungry. I won't do anything.
Calm down, boy. I am calling you to come and see a man that is pregnant for his fellow man. Some men are so stupid that they can't even differentiate between a real man, your fellow man, and a she man.
Look at the way she's walking like someone that just received Holy Communion. Innocent on the camera. Sometimes I wonder what men see in her. Look at her body like carpentry work.
Hey.
Some men can eat shit, eh? Look at the way she's just walking. Well, Holy Communion and communion. Maybe if you receive communion from this one or receive this one, you choose the one you call Holy Communion. Please, Alachi, I'm hungry. I beg. I'm not.
Are you saying you have heard it over what's happened?
On the good image we have built here, our family has built. But all my men.
Family.
It cannot happen.
It's a family. Oh, Chalukwa. When matters like this arise, but when it comes to things like cash crops, farmland, lands, we become total strangers.
Because our tradition does not permit women from owning a land or cash crops.
Ezioku.
Yes.
Ezioku.
See the person we are talking about. See her. The shameless she-goat. Shameless she-goat, Mwabu. See. Mwabu, you and your grandmother have vowed to bring shame and ridicule to this family. And all my men, you have failed. Make sure you carry this thing that is in your womb to the man who put it there.
Baba, she doesn't have a womb, oh. I'm sure that thing could possibly be in one of her intestines. Or do men have womb?
Hey! I know one thing.
Yes, no, men don't have womb. I
know one thing. Hey! I know one thing.
After everything, you didn't even bother to tell me
he deceived me. He forced me. I lost my virginity to him, Mama. Kai, I am so stupid. So stupid.
Stop blaming yourself. Eh? What has happened has happened. He made a mistake, yes, but everyone is prone to make a mistake. Eh? Stop worrying too much. Eh? I am here for you. I will never leave you. Oh?
Mama, I will abort this pregnancy.
Eh?
Me
see, abort me.
I will remove it.
Bao, I'm not going to abortion. You will keep this baby. You will have this baby. I will look after this baby. You got even now why?
What do you mean, Mama? What do you mean I should keep the pregnancy when the father has rejected it?
Bao, I will abort it.
Mama, second Bao, I'm not going to abort. You will keep this child. If the father does not want the child, Mama to die, it is okay. If he does not want his child, no problem. Nneyochi is here. I will take the baby, I will bring up the baby as my own. I will never abandon you. What if and now why?
Mama, what does that mean to me and my future? Eh? So, you want me to be a single mother? Mama, single mother? God forbid. I will not do it, I will remove it.
Please, I beg you, keep this child. Keep it for me. Eh? At least I will bring up the child as my own. No. Don't worry, I will take care of the child. Hopefully, Jeff here to sell your tomato. I will sell them for you. Just to relax and have this baby. Only more.
Okay, Kinezo.
Wabu, what do you think you're doing? You want to abort this baby?
Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, I can't keep it.
You want to kill my child?
Your child? Mama, what do you mean by that?
See, all the marriage traditional rites have been performed on your head. You are now to stay back in this family and bear children for the family. Yes, now, that young man denied this baby. So this baby is now part of this family. You cannot abort it.
Mama, please tell me you're joking. No. Mama, because I am not
joking. All the women has, they all know. They all know. They don't know. It's a secret.
And you kept it a secret from me too, Mama. Mama!
Jesus, Mama, how can you do a thing like that to me? How? Is that your plan for me? Mama, so that is your plan for me? Are you that selfish? Mama, you only think about yourself. You always think about yourself.
Mbano, it's not about me. It's about your father. It's about your father. Okay, if all you girls marry and go away, Mama will die. Obiano will take over everything. No, you love your father. Just do this for him. Okay, is it about taking care of the child? More than that. I will take care of the child. Even though the breast is all shrunken and every face here, oh yeah, where? Let me tell you something else. I have money. A lot of money that I kept inside the roof. I will use it and take care of you people. Hi, don't worry. You will still look young. No.
Now, hotel manana, hotel this. Hey, open, dodge. Good evening, man. Hey. Now, give it to me. Why are they doing this? Take this one.
Hey. Chicken, when I heard the news about Wabu's pregnancy, I was so surprised. I even thought you are the one that did it.
See, if I'm the one responsible, then why am I complaining? Did you know that Wambo does not offer me the opportunity of talking to her, let alone touching her? She found a city guy. She now decided to parade herself around with the guy.
Hey!
Mezema abandoned.
But that is so stupid of that idiot.
Very stupid.
Eh? Could you believe that whenever a man comes around that Wambo, the grandmother will stand up and walk without walking stick? Yeah? Why is it that most girls are like this? They don't appreciate men. Yeah, you know, guys that love them. Why?
I imagine.
Yeah?
I don't know.
They just allow themselves to be deceived by paupers. Look at how she fell to that idiot. That idiot was able to penetrate into her, bamboozled her, piayo away, and just left her just like that. Yeah?
I believe that. But that serves her right, yeah? That serves her right. One thing I know for sure is that I will make that idiot pay for ruining Wabo's life. When next he steps his foot into this land, he must pay for all these things.
That is it. I support you. In fact, supported. You understand me? Guy, forget it! That guy is an idiot. I can personally deal with that guy. In fact, any day that idiot set his idiotic leg into this village. Chicken, you have my number. Call my phone. Call my phone! Let me deal with him.
That's how they come from the city with their stupid city of physics and scatter the plans we have in this village. Imagine, in a Merem city guy.
See, I am from the city. I might not be around when he comes. By then, I might have gone back to the city as a musician. I might be busy. Come on phone! Let me deal with him. What they call in the city is woman squad. If you come to what I'm not talking. If you come to Fege, what they call me there is Ikoro. And they make one madu go. That is why they call. If you make mention of Udo, Etegi go. Once you come there, call anybody that you're looking for Ikoro.
The problem I'm having with you is that now, your number, how many lines do you have? Your number there agaga.
You won't blame me. As a city guy, you have too many, but you have my private number. Call me on that one, my friend. Call me on that one. You don't want to call? Call me and let me deal with that guy. That's idiot. Oh, idiot.
Udo, calm down.
Oh, Oluchi. First, Oluchi herself, she said idiot. Oluchi, idiot.
Yeah, I thought you had planned to Oluchi.
Oh, somebody have very good intention. To settle the good. Treat her like a queen. She think she's not a queen again. But because, you know, I got so intoxicated with my musical career. You know, open the watch on my voice, I can't go into it because I be singing. You know, but the girl, the rapper. The girl felt that I'm not giving her much attention. Feels the general that idiot.
How can you marry? It's Diego. Or you know Diego? I know one. Stop it. Don't insult me. Look at his cap. Do you know how much this cap is sold? Then get what cap?
Oh, what are you not talking? I'm a musician. You want to play with musicians? Musician. That girl has no atom of discipline. Because if she has endured, forget it. It is a musical contract. No idiot. Odogu? No, I'm in a meeting. Get it. Oh, you don't know music? This is what they call music. Sure, forget it. See, come to the final. Let me just keep two of you now. If you want to know, I have show this. You know how much I'm paid?
Ego neka
for one show. I have a show.
Where?
I think Diago.
Town hall.
Exactly.
Go. I know there.
Come there, 5,000 guys will be there. You know how much I'm paid? I mean, yes. You know what I mean? Hey.
I've thought about everything you said, and I have decided to keep the pregnancy. To stay back and give my father the male child he never had, by the grace of God. Since Oluchi is already engaged and will soon join her husband, let me stay so that my father's lineage will continue. One day, Judah was the one that gave birth. When they gave birth to you, I looked into that pretty face and I told myself, this is my sister. Only about one name. And I gave you that name, about one name. I knew you would never let me down. And never.
Bought it for me.
Hobby.
My hobby.
You go do your kunisi. Which one is never for hobby?
Wow, my hobby, my husband. He bought me the car.
Watch me joke. Hey, it's so fine.
Hey, Cassie.
Hey,
come here. It's my boy, you. Mama. He's looking so big.
Nah, I'll call my daughter, babe. I don't want.
Oh, Cassie, I've missed you. What are you people feeding him?
Feeding him? Oh, Papa. Nah. Toto. Ebe mo lo ma. Ebe kwasi mi apopo. Nye, tapia. Ewe msisi okwa. Ewe mnyezi anya mmie. Onwo daga. Nyana nye. Ewe balance sia. Wewe lo kwa anwa
Gawe biko.
Okwa nya bo kwa. Azu oponko. Nya azu asa. Otosia. Nke bia, I will cook it for you.
Mama is so grown, oh. Eh? See my baby, oh. See my prince. Eh? Wabo, in our one, no?
Now,
very good.
Let's go.
After you come and get all the things from me, I bought plenty.
Olachi, ha! This one he came back today. We weren't expecting you. I hope all is well. Well, I hope you are not here to beg for money because there's no money at home. Papa does not have any money in the house. My work, you know my work, as a molar, block molar. I don't know what is happening in this community. As if they ring bell, bam, so everybody to stop building houses. We the molars will not be doing anything. Man, about the ones that are which way? Go and drop your bag inside.
Now I decided to take you people by surprise. Okay, wait. Who owns this guy?
Oluchi, of course. I overheard her telling her family members that her husband bought it for her.
Eh? Oluchi's husband bought this car for her.
We're all body married. Now we're all body. Are they not the same thing?
That means the car belongs to Oluchi now.
That the husband bought it for her. Honestly, I never knew that her husband is this rich. You know, I've not looked at it very well since. It's Honda. For her husband to buy her this type of car, that means the man is loaded. He's rich.
Because where is Papa?
Papa, I don't even know. Papa, the last time I checked, I overheard him saying I was rushing for community meeting. I don't know. Because come there, drop your distance. There's nothing in the house. So I'll biscuits. Can you share my video? There's nothing in the house. Let me check something outside.
Sister, welcome. So your husband got you that beautiful. He even promised to buy a bigger one for me when I put to bed. And I can't wait to lay my hands on it. It's colonia.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get the cat on the kiosk.
Yeah. Now township Makabiko.
Hey, you don't stop to make me laugh. I see. Wow. I see you all are looking good. You're looking so fine and I'm happy about it.
Oh, Kwachukuo. It is God. Thank God.
And hi. I thank God for your condition. 4 years ago, hi. My enemies were laughing at me.
Seriously?
So, you mean they are gossiping already? Sister, I don't need to tell you what they've been saying about you and your husband.
Jesus.
It was Uncle Obiakpo and his useless kids that started it.
That family. They are not tired yet. So he's still alive.
I beg,
what of Olachi? Is she engaged yet?
Oh, but also. Not only engaged here, and engaging also.
That one, she has been jumping from one man's house to another.
Okay, fine.
University, she did not complete.
Or pass.
Even job, she doesn't have.
Okay, he mean by that. What do you mean by she doesn't have a job? It's prostitution, not a job. Hey. She has a good job.
Wow, boy, danger.
Akati. Oh, if I need to, Akati Kolo. Let us leave all this one about Akati. If they are family, let us talk about more important things. If I'm to Talani, Nemo, they can for you this your pregnancy. Tell me how the baby kicks you, so that I will tell if it's a boy or a girl.
Obameba. Oh, Obakwasime Benka.
Ukwe silike ona agbasike.
Hey!
Footballer! Footballer!
Mama!
Oh my God.
Yo, Mom.
Nelson! What is the meaning of all this? What is this recent change of behavior of yours? Must you always come back home drunk? Huh?
What? Mom, I didn't even drink today. You know what I need right now? I need to go out there to my goddamn room.
Oh my God.
And have a peaceful sleep. You know what I mean by a peaceful sleep. I know you know what I'm talking about, Mom.
No, Nelson! Nelson, no! This has got to stop, Nelson! This has got to stop!
Hey, when is your husband coming to visit us again? Honestly, I miss that handsome young man.
You miss what? You miss my husband.
Is that
what you're saying? Hey. Anyway, my husband is fine and he sends his regards. Where is Cassie? That one?
He's with grandma inside. Those two are always together.
She adore him that much.
Sister, you haven't seen anything yet. They are inseparable, like I told you.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for her. I'm happy for her. What of Uncle Obia? Is he aware?
No, nobody told him. No.
Oh, that means she still troubles you guys over the marriage issues.
Yeah.
It's worse now.
Hey.
Now he's laying claims over Oka, orange, even broomstick.
Chineke.
In fact, I have never seen a man that is as shameless as that man. Hey. Let us not spoil our night with his gist because alcohol.
Sister.
One name one.
Pregnancy is so
Thank you. All thanks to my husband.
But when I was pregnant, he never told me I was looking beautiful.
Jealousy.
Yeah, Pasha.
Now it's the same thing. Both of you are looking very pretty.
Wow.
Pasha. Pasha.
You're, in fact, you're very beautiful too.
Don't worry.
Very soon to be ready. Just special delicacy.
But Mom, I want.
Hello? Yes, Mrs. Gracie Weze. What? Oh my God. Please, where? Oh my God. I'll be right there, okay? Thank you very much. Received a phone call that my son had an accident and was rushed to the hospital. Please, can I see him now?
Yeah, we have an accident victim here, and he's in the emergency ward. The doctor is attending to him right now.
You mean my son is alive?
Yeah, he's alive.
Can I see him now?
Yeah, you can. Just like I said, the doctor is attending to him. Please sit down. I assure you he'll be very fine.
Cassia. Cassia, what do you think you're doing? Eh? Go and get that boy.
It's not as if I'm going to harm this little boy. I have nothing against him. Eh? He's a stranger in this compound. Remember?
What are you trying to say this afternoon?
I only want to know your plans for this boy. When are you taking this boy back to his true father? When?
It is none of your business. I will take him to his father when I feel like it.
I only want to remind you the importance of doing this as he's growing up here, not knowing whom his true father is.
Mansago Kwaf, I will...
We have stabilized his condition now. He'll be fine, okay? Though I will later run some tests on him.
Test? You suspect anything?
No, not really. I'm just following medical procedures. Let me see other patients.
Leave me alone! My son!
Is it true that Obiano said all this?
You have not even heard half of it. If you look at that man has nothing good to say about my family.
So he has no slightest knowledge about what is on ground.
He doesn't know anything. Hey, if you had known, if you got that man is wicked, he would have done anything possible to spoil what you have done.
I see. Don't you think it's high time he knows?
No.
Eh?
He doesn't need to know anything. That man is wicked. Unfortunately, I mean, he has dealt with my family. You know what I intend to do? I want to surprise him. Or eventually, actually surprise him.
Okay, no problem.
Mr. Nelson, I want you to take this thing I'm going to tell you as a man. Life is full of circumstances, but with the help and grace of God, it will be restored. Okay?
As you can see, Doctor, I have taken it. I've already taken it. You know the fact. In fact, sitting on this wheelchair all day and night alone. Doctor, just go ahead. Just go ahead and say it. Just say it.
From the various tests we conducted, your spine was badly damaged. And secondly,
Doctor, are you trying to say I can't walk again? Are you saying I will never walk?
No, you can. Just that your male hormone, what we call testosterone in medical terms, was also affected. Which means you may not be able to father a child.
No, Doctor. No, Doctor, you can't tell me that. No. Doctor. God, please, God, Doctor.
I am sorry, Mr. Nelson. That is what it is. You mind? Please control yourself.
Do this.
Yes, Mom.
That your male hormone was also affected.
I saw the child. I saw my child. His name is Cassie. I heard his mother call him.
How sure are you that was the child you saw?
I saw. He's got my eyes. He's got my eyes, I swear. I just couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. I was just watching him from afar.
Well, Nelson, Omega, what has happened has happened. It's all in the past. So my guy, move on.
I can't.
Move on.
I can't move on without my child. I can't just move on without my child.
Okay. What do you want to do about it?
I'll go to her and ask for reconciliation. I'll go to her tomorrow. And definitely I will ask for reconciliation. That's what I will do. Catch? That's what I will do.
Nelson, ịlọkwana ya ka nlọ. Imekwana mistake na nke a. Ichekwana ya eche cha cha. Eh?
You guys just know I boogie. I forgive sorry. Huh? After all what you have done to Nwabo, you still have the mind to tell me that you want to go and see Nwabo. And you told me yourself that you denied the responsibility of that pregnancy. Now you're telling me you want to go and see Nwabo. Oh. Nelson, don't even think of it. You look one year can know. But Kage Boogie, I forgot. Sorry.
I wouldn't have had a choice, but I have no choice. If I had a choice, I would have gone to her. As you can see now, I have no choice. Like, I don't have a choice. I just have to go to her.
Listen, I told you all this is at the initial time. I told you messed up. I told you all these things.
No, I don't know.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here? Please leave this compound. Get out.
Please just hear me out.
Hear you, Gene. Wait, what do you want to tell me? Gene Kichegwam. If you have come to tell me or make me know that you had an accident, I have seen it. Oh, sorry, but it's not my business. Get out.
What I do before is something more important than that. I gave my son, our son.
Our Guinea. Our Guinea. Our. You are very, very stupid. Please get out of this compound. Yeah, now.
Nebiko, listen to him now. Look at his condition now. Please.
Young man,
What did I hear you say? You said that boy is your son.
Yes, sir.
Hey, where have you been all the while? We have been expecting you.
Who has been expecting? Yeah? Nobody has been expecting you. In fact, you don't have any business in this compound. And then you are picking now. Mind your business. Mind your business, so.
Tradition demands that the boy is his whenever he comes for him.
Ezio.
See, young man, go and come with your people and perform some necessary rites. You take your child with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's a thank you, sir. In fact, I don't want to see you in this compound by the time I come out again.
Wabo, please, can I talk to you, please? Please, can I talk to you, please?
I don't want to see you.
Please.
Don't come here.
Uncle Boli, come, let's go.
Wait, what exactly is Uncle Obiano's business?
Don't mind that evil man. He thinks he knows what he's doing, but he's going to meet a big surprise.
Of course now. Hey, I didn't tell them anything.
Just
let him come with his people. Yalla.
And how do you think he will feel when he finally finds out the truth?
He will feel exactly the way I want him to feel. That man doesn't know what is waiting for him.
Mama, I actually like the way things are playing out. Which about my favorite.
Oh, wow. Obiano, you have you there.
And you kept this away from me all these years? Nelson, how could you? How could you do this? Nelson, if you don't need the child, I need the child. At least you should have told me about it in the first place.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
I know you are. But that does not change the fact that you acted so stupidly, Nelson. Nelson, I thought you said you care about Mommy. Yeah, I thought you said you love Mommy. And you never hurt me.
I do.
Oh, shut up, Nelson! You do not have the slightest idea how I feel right now. You don't.
I do, Mom. I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry. Mom, please just forgive me. Forgive me, Mom. All I want from you right now is for you to accompany me. Accompany me to go and see her. See her and her family. Mom. I need my son. Oh my God. I need my son. I'm a fool, I know. But I need my son. Mom, I need my son. I need him.
The truth is that none of us had the slightest knowledge of this until he came to us a few days ago and confessed everything.
Are you sure he confessed everything? Because if he did, I believe you people will not have any reason to be here today. Huh?
Ichi, I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your child didn't tell you that he denied that he never had any intimate affairs with my daughter.
Plateau? Plateau. Hey, Nelson, is that what you told them?
But that is not the issue here. Whether he was responsible or not responsible, the lady in question has been traditionally and legitimately married to this family.
Hey!
To stay here and bear children on behalf of her late father, who had no male child before his death. So your son, Nelson here, was only used as a tool to fulfill this obligation.
It's a lie. It's a lie. That never happened.
It did happen. Okay. But we decided to keep it away from you because of the kind of person you are.
Yeah.
What we are saying is that every elder of this community knows about it. Hey! And was part of the rite performed by Ijenna on behalf of Mom. Bigwe was also present. So if you have your doubt, you are free to meet Bigwe. That is all.
It's impossible. Such thing cannot happen in this family without my consent.
Oh my God, man!
Huh?
Listen, we also kept it secret from you because we know that that is the best thing that can happen to Ijena's family. Well, I'm sorry that you are just finding out now.
Are you saying that the child in question is a legitimate son of this family?
Yes! Yes.
Your son here was so naive. He thinks he is a notorious womanizer and that he can go around and mess up with any woman that comes his way. So sorry.
Nelson! Look at what you've done to yourself now.
What was the loss?
Hey! Impossible! Huh? This cannot happen as long as I am alive.
But it has happened! Oh my God, man!
Hey! Hey, Mweke, is that why you sneak into this family?
Stop shouting on us, oh!
Who are you? Is that why people come here?
What? Stop shouting on anybody here!
Nonsense! Nonsense! It cannot happen. Okay, yeah, man. Useless human being. Eh? Nonsense!
Ibata mbeba melu ajaru.
What is your
Ibata mbeba melu ajaru. Message kekita.
If not because I'm a gentleman.
So, Ijenna strategically planned this and successfully hid it away from me. So, no. I will show you that I'm a man. No.
Anna.
Are you playing?
Yes.
Good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You are a good boy. Uncle got biscuit. Take it and eat because you are a very good boy.
I'll eat in the after I finish playing.
That is good. That is good. Make sure you eat it alone. Do not share it with anybody. Uncle bought it alone for you. And you have to eat it alone. Okay? Good boy. Go on. Go.
Yes.
Cassie. Cassie! Cassie Mobi!
Uncle Obiano gave me.
Uncle Obiano? The one outside? Gave you this biscuit? Give me. Don't ever collect anything from him. Even if he forces you, say no. Obiano is a very wicked man. Do you understand what I'm saying? Come and sit here. Sit. Hey! Obiano. You will not kill any of my children again. Except Monobro Chukumwanya Kanefe. Don't worry, I'll buy biscuits for you. Achicha. Mandela so. Mandela netini fenetiti. You go now. Just one I have.
You are playing, eh? I know you must be tired. That's why I brought another biscuit. Eh? Take it. Don't tell me you want to reject my gift. Eh? Take it, boy. Okay, hold it. Okay, hold it. You see this one? No, take this.
I want to eat it inside.
Take it. I'm going to take this. Eat it now. Eat it. You have not told me why you summoned this emergency meeting. Yes.
Obiano, this meeting was called so that you can tell us when you can share the land between you and Ijena's son. Because it has come to our notice that the problem we are having in this family was because of the land and cash crops. So it will be better that you share it so that peace can reign among you.
That is true. Do people know what you are talking about?
Yes.
When did women started sharing or having land in our community? When now? It cannot happen. No.
Yeah. Obiano, what are you talking? Eh? What are you talking? Have you forgotten that Ejena now has a son? You have to share the land accordingly so that the boy will have his own portion of the land.
That is why we are here.
That is it.
Fear.
That is it.
Fear what? Oh, is that your plan? This is conspiracy.
You want me to share my land with that kid? No, it cannot happen. Mama.
Yes, Obiano. You had no choice. You were looking for a male child to share land with. Now you have seen one, and you are hesitating. Why are you hesitating? Ihinachonukenu is Banukana. Ijenna now has a son. It cannot happen.
Agwara m unu na ihe enweghị ike ime n'obodo a. Hey! Myself to share my land with a bastard. A bastard! No, I will never. It cannot happen. Omame!
It will happen. Ogeme! Omegeme!
Hey!
Bia! Obiano, watch what you say about a son of the soil. Eh? Are you hearing me? Because the Igwe will not be merciful to you at all. Bam!
That is true.
For calling a true son of this family and land a bastard. Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Look, whether you go or no, or hungry, that's like you. I don't care. He is a bastard and he remains a bastard. And I have nothing to share with him. Yes. Do you know the tradition of this land? What are you talking about?
What do you know about tradition? You Obiano. What do you know?
It is the tradition that we are telling you.
Look at Obiano.
Look, I don't just understand. It's better you leave this place.
What?
When the time comes, you will know the true tradition. You don't know what you are saying. But
okay, let me see gender.
You push me. No wonder. For this, oh, if I get you people here again, knife. Rubbish. Nonsense. Ah, can you get him car? Can you trouble na chief with him together? Oh, when I born a judge, nonsense. I'm a male. Cannot happen here.
Binigwe. Ọ gị nwagwara anyị na Psalm 23. Abụ ọma 23. Anyị nwa bụ ụmụ atụrụ, gị nwa bụ onye nche anyị. Ị na-edu anyị. Isi na ị ga-enye anyị ife ọbụla anyị chọrọ n'ụwa. Isi na ị ga-enye anyị nne ga na-eli ndị ilu anyị alụrụ na-ekiri anyị ma ọ nwere ifefa ga-eme. Nna Binigwe isi anyị gaba. Na onwe ife ọbụla dị n'ụzọ ị ga-akụpụ ya. Maka na ị ga na-edu anyị. Ụkwụ ọma nkwụ anyị because na ọ gị nwa bụ Chukwu anyị na-efe.
Jenna. You brought a bastard to come and challenge me. No, it will end this night. Kasi Mobi, it must end this night. Go this night. What happened? Time me? What is that? What is it? Hey! No. And I want more than I want.
your line. Oh, yeah. But what you actually say, man? Well, me and Daniel Kaki. Seek it to be. Protect Tanya Kona Ganiru. You might fit you over to this family.
I met your son. I killed him and his wife.
He said he killed
Ijenna, I tried to kill him, but it wasn't possible. Hey! Hey! Kastemobi! I've tried to kill him so many times, but he failed. I decided to kill him this night, and that's what brought me here now. Jesus. Hey! Here now. Jesus. Hey! Hey! Ikenna! Hey, Ikenna! See this family. Oh, people should respect Ijenna. She's a great woman. She's a great woman. Hey, Ijenna, oh, Ijenna, oh. See the family. Look after my children. Hey.
But why are you saying all this? Why are you saying all this? Papa, see, I will take care of the family, but
You're joking, oh. You're joking, oh. You're joking, Papa. Wake up, oh. Wake up. Papa. 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 You're joking, you're joking.
Obiano. Ike.
Papa.
Bia. Why is it that every time you be walking with your shoulder raised? What is swelling your head, sir? Why are you behaving as if na pass guard run and book on it? Eh? Listen, big boys like me don't have all the time to be following village girls like you around.
Emeka, I hate you and your guts. Have you ever seen a big boy in your life? You're here claiming big boy. Don't you know that big boys don't talk to girls anyhow? Big boys are humble. You're here claiming big boy and big boy. Your white mouth.
Yeah, mind the way you insult the biggest boy in this local government. Listen, I can feed you. That your old one-eyed grandmother. Even that your sister that you people have turned to a village goat. Come now, no one no more. Oria.
Emeka, how many times did I call you? You are an idiot. A stupid fool. The next time you dare stop me again, equal coagisi.
Do you realize who you are talking to?
Are you mad? Bro, talking. Hey, wait. Oh. What are you doing with my sister? You think she don't have a brother like me? Okay?
Ah, Kuberaka Kamqualia.
What did you
do? No, Emeka.
What did you do?
I don't do anything, no. You don't anytime you see me, you're just disturbing me.
You didn't do anything to him?
My leg.
Did you touch any other place?
No, brother, it's just here.
I can't tell you, man.
What is your problem? What are...
I'll take...
Yeah, good. Are you mad? What did I do to you?
Go out.
Just like that. You never put there. See, I will follow you anywhere you're going. Today, any day you want to go to sleep, call me. I will join you. Give me my clothes. Let's go. I'm good. Tell me the truth, Adugo. Are you sure you didn't touch you any other place? Let me see. Are you sure you didn't touch you any other place? Tell me the truth. Let them make a run. Tell me the Adugo. Tell me the truth. Are you sure you won't be able to do Maka? Maka kete. Let him run. No. No. Wait. Is your leg not paining you? No. Emeka. No problem. Emeka, my sister. My sister, no bother. You can take a phone now.
Hey, yeah. It's okay. I'm happy with the way things have turned out. Let us forget about the quarrels, the fight, everything. You are my brother. Inuko. So let's just live like one happy family. Inuko. We do all that you do, my sister.
Kasi, one of them, yeah. Okorobia. Kasi, you're my brother. You're my brother for life. Mama.
How?